Peace and blessings. This is Alejandro Alex Ramirez with Play for God's Glory piano classes, and I'm here to share with you 7-3-6-2-5-1-4 progression, commonly used in songs sort of the style of Never Would Have Made It by Marvin Sapp and others. So let's try this out. I'll call them out as I go along the first time, and we're going to work through the circle of fourths halfway through, and then we'll work through the circle of fifths. So that was the C6 over 9 chord. That's your 1, and that's a 6 over 9 chord. So you see the numbers going through there, 1, 6, 2, 5, and it's going to the 7, 6, 2, 4, which is the minor 7 flat 5. Then we're going to go to the 7 sharp 9 sharp 5. E7 sharp 9 sharp 5, that's a 3 that we're going to be using a lot now. To the A minor 9th. To the D minor 11th, sorry, G minor 9th, to the C, 6 at 9, F major 9, to the C, this is a 6 over 9 chord, to the D minor 9th, E7, E6 over 9 chord again, sorry about that. That F major 9 again, and then the A minor 9th, G, a 6 over 9 chord or at 9. So let's try this.